Good morning, world. We did not video yesterday because we were all kind of hungover from the day before and we didn't do anything. So we woke up this morning at 5 o'clock or 4:45 to go get our bus to Cusco because we have Machu Picchu on Saturday and it's Wednesday today, only to find out that we've booked it for tomorrow, not today. So we are in Arequipa for another day. We've just moved from room C to room E. We're now in a 4-bed dorm, but we're just gonna go and get some food because Jack didn't eat at all yesterday and I'm just hungry. I just want to eat my life away now because, you know, the only good thing about staying here is it is sunny. It's like 21, 22, so I sunbathed yesterday and got a bit of a tan, so I'm gonna do that again today. But yeah, we've come to crepes for breakfast, also plain shithead. Hannah's got a savoury one. I got sugar and butter so far, and I also ordered a waffle. I did. So I've just got my second course come through. Well, I did show this on the previous vlog, but this is Arequipa's town centre. It's very pretty. They must be having some kind of festival or music thing because they are putting up a stage. But it's very nice. It doesn't feel like you're in a different, like, obviously feels like you're in a different country, but it definitely doesn't feel like you're in Peru or something. They really look after their city. Like earlier on, some guy was washing like the pavement outside his shop and stuff, so they definitely do look after it.
So Amy just lost a game of What Are the Odds. We're in a department store called, is it Tippy Top or something? Toppy Top. Anyway, Amy's lining up and then we'll show you in a second what she's been made to buy. Right. We believe in the power of girls.
How are you going to do this?
I'm just going to take more clothes. Fucking stupid. I can't, the neckline is too low. For fuck's sake.
It's cute. It looks cute on you. There you go.
Is this your shirt, Hannah? No, because I feel like you could turn this into like a comfy jumper.
It's actually not that bad.
I mean, it's pretty bad. I've got mine on. We're going to try and find one for Jack and Hannah, but I feel like that's too much of a comfy jumper, even though it's really ugly.
Yeah, come on.
I found the t-shirt for Jack. What are the odds?
10.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, 4.
See, I'm agreeing, but Hannah's like, nope, no, I'm not doing
I
it.
will. I just gotta find the right shirt. I'm trying to keep.
I literally cannot cope. I don't know why, but today's just been the funniest thing ever.
It cost me like 35.
35? I thought it said 20.
It did say 20 on it.
Why don't you just say?
I did tell her. She was like, no, and then just pointed at the price.
Oh.
No, like on the screen.
Oh well, you gonna put it on now?
So I was just at the desk laughing still about Jack's t-shirt
Snotted.
and breathed and snotted out everything
That is so cute.
in front of everyone. It was the funniest thing ever. I could have honestly passed away right then and there. Okay, small problem again. So we've just got an email saying that there is a huge strike in Arequipa tomorrow. So we've messed up booking this bloody bus for tomorrow instead of today. And now there's strikes, so we can't even leave. So we're now looking at flights or other buses. Hannah doesn't want to get the overnight bus. But yeah, we don't know what to do. Okay, we've booked a flight. We've checked in. We couldn't add baggage. We need to add that at the airport. We are just in the taxi now. We've got like 25 minutes to get there before we need to check in, get our bags in, and then hopefully we can just relax there. We're gonna get there this evening, but the only annoying thing is I booked the Wild Rover Hostel in Cusco for tonight, and then obviously we didn't get on the bus, and so I emailed them and changed it for tomorrow, and then I've just had to email them again and be like, oh, can we change it back to tonight?
Busy?
So fingers crossed we have no more money, because we've just spent another $80 each, which is fun.
Hang on, let me think of the word. No, I need to practice Espanol.
What are you trying to say?
Hold me close till I get up.
You promised.
We made it.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Security. Oh, this is like saying goodbye.
Oh, have we gone in the wrong? Probably gone in the wrong bit. We're probably just queuing up because we're English. People pushing in. There's no. Oh no, it is security. It's just hectic as. Well, we made it to Cusco. Just getting our bags. That flight was had so much turbulence, but yeah, we're here and it's 9 o'clock. Just need to get our bags, get a taxi, and then get to Wild Rover. Get us a drink.
Can't swear.
Get me a drink. Alcoholic beverage, por favor.